Hey everyone, thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got a piano moving service and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services, you're definitely in the right spot today, so keep watching this video. So I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to do exactly that, build a simple website for your piano moving service. If you haven't heard of MultiSites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, so make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. So let's go ahead and search for our market, piano moving service. There it is over there. Let's select that template. Great. Let's tell MultiSites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to pop in my city and my state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the MultiSites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. I'm going to go ahead and click on continue and let MultiSites generate a simple website for my business with the information I've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally come up with a whole website for me in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of MultiSites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use. They don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone, very professional looking. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to use on your website. Maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to that content that was pre-written, make it a little bit more personalized to your business. Tell your customers a little bit of your background and how your company came to be. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that, how to make some minor amendments on the MultiSites platform. You don't need to know any coding or be a web professional in any kind of way. You certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's go ahead and click on the first section. I'm going to pop in my email address over here. And I want to make sure that that is visible on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Excellent. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. And our address, our physical location. If maybe you're mobile, you don't have a physical location, leave it off. But if you have one, pop it in over here. When your website's actually live, your customers can click on that address and be taken automatically to Google Maps. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Now, for the next section, if you've got a logo for your business, go ahead and browse your device and upload it over here. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can actually click on that pencil to make slight amendments. You can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, click on save here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Now, with MultiSites, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you'd like to change them, click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. No color coding needed at all. Just go through the various color palettes available for you to use. For each section you'd like to make amendments to, click on update section, the button directly underneath that section. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device or search through that photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. You also have the option now to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in all those photos from Instagram if you have a profile. And update action is where you can change that text on the call to action buttons, as well as where the button's linked. You can link to another website as well, or a PDF file. Great option for your different services and rates in PDF format for your customers to see. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where your customers can reach out to you, keep track of all your leads in your Multi dashboard. If you have a custom domain for your business, you can click on the yellow button at the bottom, connect your domain. If you don't have a domain, you really want one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors, click on that button as well. You have the option to purchase a domain via the MultiSites platform. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business on the MultiSites platform. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.